Good evening, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make this video to discuss some of the things that we're going to be doing for this week. If you do see, I posted some videos for you all, starting with the welcome, as well as for the module 1, a video about partner dialogues, and how to make the intro video. I also gave you guys information about how to find your oral dialogue partner. If we go to content, and we go to our important due dates, we will see that the intro video and the syllabus quiz are going to be due by January 20th. We also do have VHL activities that are going to be assigned to us that we can start looking through. If we go back to our table of contents and go to module 1, we see we hit the link here to the syllabus quiz due January by 11:59, the link for voice thread, and then the information on partner dialogues below. You'll also find the module 1 video here. So if you click on voice thread, you'll see some people have already been making videos. This is my instructor video. You do need to comment on the instructor video and make your own video as well, and all of the information about that can also be found here in the module 1. And you have all the information that you'll need to make the video, and I went through specifically to show you how. The syllabus quiz just talks about information that can be found in the syllabus, and the syllabus is under the Start Here tab where it says syllabus. Okay, you do need to go here to groups in order to find your partner. I have access to all of the groups, so if you have any issues when you are trying to access your partner's name, tell me what group you're in and also the partner, what the name of your partner, so I can further help you. If we go to our VHL site, which is here, VHL Central, we'll click on our book, Imagina. If you're having issues getting the textbook, again, please let me know so I am able to help you there. If we go to our calendar, we see that the first round of activities is not due until the 27th. So not this Sunday, but the following Sunday, you'll have some activities due, and we won't have partner dialogues until February 3rd. Okay? So if you guys do have any questions, please let me know, and I hope that you all have a great week.